welcome back to N2S. I'm going to be fitting some air ducts. So these are RS3 air ducts that can be fitted to a multiple range of vehicles, including the Hyundai i30N. So these brake ducts simply clip onto the wishbones at the front and bring extra cool air to your discs from behind. So that's great if you're driving hard or using the brakes hard on track or fast road driving, because it means that your brakes will be cooler, obviously, by bringing in more cool air. So these are the air ducts. So part numbers on here, hopefully you can see that. It might be backwards, so I'll put it down in the description. I'll hold up the other one as well so you can see that. So you can order these from, well, Audi, but you can also get them in places like eBay, or if you look online, places like Progressive Parts, and you can pick them up for like 30-40 quid. So that's a bargain really for what you're getting. I'll be fitting them today. I'm going to do a little DIY, shouldn't take too long, and then yeah, let me know your thoughts. Right, so here we go. We're going to try and fit this first one. I brought the wheel out so you can actually see the wishbone there, okay? And I'm going to do a test fit first and then show you. But yeah, let's give it a go. So it goes over the top of the wishbone. You've got 3 cable ties, these all come included. This little notch here on the M1 actually goes through that hole, so that's a great way to locate it. So if you get that one in there, so you get that cable tie through, you just pull that cable tie to locate. Look, a spot on, that is, dead easy. So you can see there. You can see that through that hole at the back there, clips straight over. It's a dead fit for it, absolutely perfect. And that's from underneath. So I have some snips, and then simply get these cable ties done up. What a good little tip as well with the snips is, if you've got a pair, just grab it on the end there and twist. You hear a couple of clicks, you know that is dead tight now. And just get them as flush as you can, like so. I'm going to do that to the other 2, and then I'll give you some shots underneath. Right, so the finish article's on. Look at that. What an easy fit. That was literally, once you got the location of it and you get that through the hole, it literally fits straight on. So that's what it looks like from underneath. Simple fit, 3 cable ties, and yeah, you got that lovely nice cooling sucking in on the small end, bringing it out right onto the back of that disc. Happy days. Then simply repeat on the other side, and yeah, half an hour job in total, jacking up the car, getting them on and having your ducts on. Lovely. So that wraps up the video for today. Hopefully that gives you a good insight in how to fit these RS3 ducts, and if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments below. I hope this content will help some of you fit these RS3 ducts, and if you liked what you see, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.